Alright, welcome back to the VOLKSROTTON 1973 Karmann Ghia. Third video this week. Previous one we took out the glass, now I've just taken out the front screen. So let's take a look what we got. Top's all good. Got a repair here and here to do. Overall, not too bad. So this here I can build up, but the top, all good. We knew we had repair there. A bit of bubbling going on here, but I've bought some paint stripper off Amazon. I think it's about £13. You gotta leave it on for 2 hours. I only just put it on 10 minutes ago, and it's doing nothing. It'll be less today because of the sun, but I just thought I'd do a little tester. You know, 13 quid, see how it goes. Right, the dash. I've been peeling away the old black vinyl. You can see here. And this is what we got. The top, not too bad. Original paint. But what if I was to... I love the look of it. That's original there, look, just a little bit of sandpaper. That's popping already. Even on top surface rust, we have black vinyl going across here. I'm liking the look of it. You know me, the old patina. Tell you what I'll do, got some clear coat there. We can give it a light sand. Stick a little bit of clear coat on. Come back, see what it's like. That reminds me of my Vauxhall Victor. Wow, I like that. Coco. We'll come back to that in an hour or so, but you can see it react already. I'll take these off later on. But just a dash top. We don't need a black cover on it. We don't need this black vinyl on it. Just a little light rub and clear coat the bugger. We'll see what's under all this in a bit. I'll set you up. Look at that badge. Woohoo! It's wrong. No, it's right. VOLKSROTTON Karmann Ghia. So when I first got this Karmann Ghia, I had a little sports wheel, and I just love the old D-ring steering wheel and the old Beetles. All the headlining's gone. Done that in a previous video. Got a playlist on this fella. I just love it like that. Just clear coat the bloody roof. Headlining now. Right, let's start to peel some of this off. What we got underneath. You can see a bit of orange paint. Yeah, thanks for watching. All your support, comments, love it. With this one being at home, it's really started to crack on with him. But you can see this just peeling away. Wheeler Dealers years ago, they had a convertible Ghia, and they repadded it. I'm not saying this is on there from original. I'm gonna have to get this badge off first. I'm not breaking that. Just carefully watch it snap. Yes. There's he joined on there. Right, I'm going to get a hammer and just tap him behind. Wow, my head. Just tap him behind. Yeah, that's setting on top. Right, got a couple of trim tools. Nope, nope, I don't want to break it. If I do, you'll see it on here. You're joking. One of the pins had just broke at the back. Oh no, he ain't. No, there he is. Oh, he's stuck on there. Look. Oh, there he goes. Yes, sir. Hey, there he goes. There. Come on. Come on. Just being hung up on this last one. If he snaps the pins out the back, he snaps. I'll just glue him on. But we're there, look. This, yay. There he goes. Yep, snap the pin at the back. There you go. Just here. But we don't need them pins. So I'll fill the dash hole and glue them on. Right, cover. Oh, God, so next door is having a fire pit and a barbie. Look at that. Dash in. Wow, what do you think of that? I could clear coat that, you know, and let me just spray the orange on top. At least then we've got something original, haven't we? Leave the original dash that is and paint him nice orange at the back. Someone must have done this in the 80s because not very well done. Is he his original? No, I don't know. Yeah, that's glued on there. Right. See my son at a dash. I'll bring you along. Just slit it. I'll go for black. I ain't seen it. I'll go for black. Wide. Yeah. This vinyl, I don't go much on. But what if? Let me know in comments what you think. Keep the dash all original. Clear coat, I'll rub it down obviously. Clear coat it, then paint this black. like a matte black. I don't think satin will go well. We'll fix the old handle, look. I'm liking this car even more. Yeah. Obviously we'll take off the glove box lid. And there we have it. I haven't tackled any of the rust today yet. I just got home, so not a clue what to do today. Just grabbed a bit of 240 grit. No, honestly, it's cool as hell. Look, yeah, that's just glue from the vinyl, look. Don't go mad. Yeah, that's glue from the vinyl. Bit of clear coat. But the original orange looks cool as. White painted pink, well, pink obviously because it's a colour from the 80s. Why the green? You can't tell me that ain't cool. Well, you can, but that's just a little bit on the dash. Oh, still a bit of vinyl over there to get rid of. Nice beautiful day again. Yeah, just here, just one of them attached like that. Yeah, that's rust and glue there, look. Bring you along every step of this VOLKSROTTON Ghia. Can't get my steps in. Back at the workshop Saturday, is now Thursday. Get the patina engine in. And hashtag incoming. Next few weeks. That's it. That's all the vinyl was. Let me know in comments what you think. I know most will probably say paint it up, spray it, but I think that looks cool as hell. Even the black, with the black glove box lid. Obviously we just put the stereo in, but that there I am liking. That's blinking dashing. How cool is that? It's going to need a little bit more rubbing down. Bring up that orange. That is blinking awesome. Look at the chrome badge. Wow. Right on. I'm calling this the best Volkswagen Karmann Ghia dashboard out there that I've seen anyway. Look at that cool original orange. But yeah, it still needs a little rub down. And I'll keep the top as it is. No more black vinyl. Clear coat. I'm going to spend an extra hour or so this evening. I may have a go at sorting some of the wire out. Yeah, I'm just going to chip away at this Karmann Ghia. Yeah, we've got a little bit of repair there today. But overall, happy bloody days. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Buymeacoffee.com. I've got Amazon wish list. Do some more paint stripper. This, whatever. Yeah. Just a little short video. Let's get around the other side on the dash. Absolutely love it. So what I'm missing, yeah, it's a wiper switch. I've never come with one. Got my hazards lights. That's so precise. That's awesome. Yeah, we're just missing hazards, unless they've converted it to here, no doubt. So I might as well stick the washers there so we have a nice clean dash. That'd be cool. 36,357. Is that 136,000 or 236,000? But that's the original engine. No, it's not the original engine because we checked. It's been a rebuilt original engine. Come on, Coco. Yeah. Firewall looks good. What I'm going to do next few days is get them inside and I'll start cutting out the floor. I don't want to cut them out here, even though I've got cracking neighbours. Someone did ask, I can't remember who it was, do a proper job on it, body off, but no, I ain't got time for that. Got my square back, that's coming back soon. Too many other projects I want to crack on with. This will make him solid, better than a body off. Because what I've done on the old pickup, welded the floor pans, the heater channels, because the heater channel bottoms are gone here, but the heater channel tops a-okay. This is the way I'm going, this is the way I want to do it. But I appreciate your comment. And yeah, thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Cheers.